Kakunhun jukirang ba nakathan Sohra habok kalama jangka Sohra Distrik Demand Forum hne kasngi kila Kynduh menteri rang ba kajela ban penken mau Biang ban ai Distrik no yaka Sohra. Habakran baglat pathai khubor sekretari Kakunhun uba John W Thaba ulong ba kajingalang kalong ka ba seiso namar nakalyang menteri rang ba ulakular ban Khie.
So Sohra remains as it is till now. And then we have given our justification to the government also when we met the Chief Minister in October 2018. So we have given our all our justifications about the socio-economic and developmental aspects of our demand. So in those things we have given to the government. The government has accepted. That's why the Chief Minister called us today to have a proper talks on this matter. It's been there since about 15-20 years ago. But then it's our forum that took the initiative to bring up this demand publicly.
So, but 10 to 20 years, don't you think that is a very long time to wait for, to get a new district?
Yeah, it was a very long time, no doubt about that. No doubt. But then, we are trying to be patient. We don't want to put too much pressure on the government. We are trying, to do it diplomatically in a proper manner. So this time, we have met the government. I mean, this is the second time that we met the Chief Minister. So we hope that the process will proceed. The meeting was positive. The Chief Minister has given us assurance that he will look into our demand seriously this time. And there are some issues that the government is trying to sort out. So this matter also, I hope that the government will look into in a few coming days. So the government, Chief Minister also has told us that he'll be sending this matter to the Chief Secretary to initiate the process and to examine all the matters, including the papers, the documents that we have presented to the government.